Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to access the size guide on Redbubble. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the search bar and find the relevant item that you would like to purchase. Then click on the size guide in the middle of the screen, and here you have a chart, but you can also change the unit of measurement if you would like to see it in centimeters. So just simply click on centimeters, so it will appear in the relevant unit of measurement. You can also gain more information about the sizing by tapping on sizing information, and then you will be directed to a page in where you can find more information about sizing. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.